If you want to buy land in Abuja, it is important you understand how land is being acquired right here in Abuja. Because right here in Abuja, it is quite different from what we have in any other part of the country. In fact, Abuja is like the heart of real estate investment, which means that it is here that most of the land use act is being practiced. Generally in Nigeria, we have two ways land is being acquired. Number one is through the customary way, which is where we have the family head, the community head, even a chief in a particular community, and the person is the one in charge of that particular land, and then is now being held in trust by the person and then distribute it amongst other people in that community. Another way you can own land right here in Nigeria through inheritance, which is still under the customary land ownership. This is where people inherit lands from their families or from their relatives. So that is another form of owning lands right here in Nigeria. And this customary land ownership is mostly practiced in other parts of the country like the southeast, south, and the rest. But right here in Abuja, what is being practiced is the statutory land ownership. This is where all lands is being held and managed by the FCT minister or the governor of the state. So right here in Abuja, all lands are being held by the FCT minister, which now allocates this land to individuals. So this is how land is being administered right here in Abuja. So this land, according to the FCT Land Use Act of 1976, it states that all land in the Federal Capital Territory is being vested upon the FCT minister, which now allocates this land to individuals and for the public use of the Federal Capital Territory. Now, this allocation is being done by the FCT minister through the government bodies. So he allocates this land to individuals. Now, these individuals now get to sell this land to either individuals or developers. So these developers, they picks up this land and then goes ahead to get what is known as a root title for that land, which right here in Abuja is usually referred to as the right of occupancy. So this right of occupancy helps you to prove that you actually got this particular land from the main allotee. So the person that the land is being allocated to from the FCT minister is known as the allotee. So when you are buying from the allotee, you have to get a root title, which is usually in the form of right of occupancy, which is in short known as R of O. So the R of O becomes the root title of that particular land. Now, you that have gotten this land, maybe from the main allotee, and have gotten your R of O, you can proceed to get a C of O. So your C of O just certifies that you are now the rightful holder of that land for the period of 99 years.
Oh my God.
So some developers get this property either from the allotee or from the individuals who already bought from the allotee, and they now get approval from the government, then start selling this land in plots, which usually come in different sizes, such as 150 square meters, 200 square meters, 250 square meters, 350 square meters, 400 square meters, down to 1,000 square meters. So they now get to sell to the individuals. Now, individuals like you or me that is watching this video right now, we buy this plot from the developers, and then the developers will have to now issue you a document known as allocation letter, just allocating that particular plot that you bought from them to you. Now, after getting these documents, or after buying this land and getting this allocation letter, the next thing is that once you develop on that particular land, that is when you build either a house, either a duplex or anything on that land, till the roofing stage, the developer now issues you a document known as a deed of assignment. All right, so this deed of assignment transfers the rights that the developer has or holds in the right of occupancy and C of O down to you that bought that land from him. And that is the chain of land administration or land acquisition right here in Abuja. So it starts from the FCT minister down to the allotee. The allotee now sells to an individual or to a developer, and the developer now gets further to sell to other individuals. So that is the chain of land acquisition right here in Abuja. So when you want to buy land right here, the question you will now be asking is, am I buying from the allotee? Because most times the government allocates this property to their top citizens. So you're asking the question, which is, am I buying from an allotee, or am I buying from a real estate developer, or am I even buying from an individual? And when you are buying from all of these people, you still have to do your due diligence, and that I'll be explaining in my next video on how you can conduct proper due diligence before you buy any property from anybody right here in the city of Abuja. I remain Jacinta Okwa, your #1 real estate investment expert based here in the city of Abuja. I'm always here to guide you through in making the right real estate investment decision. And if you want to invest right here in Abuja, all you need to do is to connect with me on the number shown on your screen. Call or WhatsApp me on 081-4704-2804, and I'll guide you through. See you in the next one.